Hi, from beautiful Kuala Lumpur, my little apartment here where I've been for the past, 3.5 weeks or something. I'm in Discovery right now. I want to pop in and say a little bit about June 16th, Busting Relationship Myths, Fool's Gold versus the Real Deal. How this came about, just a little bit. A good friend, someone I love dearly, recently came to me and showed me a clip from The Bachelor. I believe it was The Bachelor, and it was horrifying. It was horrifying what the so-called experts were saying about relationship and what is needed to be in a relationship and all the game playing that exists out there. And between all the books I read, like the rules, how to get a guy by not responding to texts and lying and things like this, it's insanity. So Miss Lisa Kelman and I were on the phone and we decided to get together and do a one day on relationships and bust some of the major myths, go into a lot of the masculine and the feminine, and how do we access masculine, feminine, and have it work in relationship. And then attachment, something I am passionate about. Anybody who's been on Couples 2 with me knows we talk a lot about attachment, and that when we are in our childhood, if we're not securely attached, it shows up in our relationships. Here's the good news. There's stuff we could do to alter that. And so this is not going to be just about relationships. It's also going to have a good amount of parenting work in it. So I am inviting people, if you are in Orange County, California, on June 16th for a fun, very fun, experiential one day on relationship. And if you are committed to creating relationship, definitely be there. If you are in relationship, that would be all of us, definitely be there. And love to you on this beautiful Saturday morning from KL and in the States, evening. Mwah. Have a great day today. Bye.